In this video, you will learn how to make money on Zedge as a beginner. First, visit the Zedge website and sign up for an account. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. After that, click Become a Seller section. This is usually found at the bottom of the page. Click the registration process and agree to all the terms. Create and upload content. Create wallpapers, ringtones, notification sounds and stickers. Make sure your content is original and high quality. Use tools such as Photoshop for wallpapers and audio editing softwares for ringtones. Upload your creations on Zedge through the seller account. Add descriptions and tags. Create appealing descriptions and use relevant tags to help users find your content. The better the description, the more likely the users will download your content. Promote your content. Share your Zedge content on social media platforms such as TikTok, Twitter and Instagram to drive traffic and increase your downloads. Track your earnings. Monitor your earnings in Zedge seller account. You get paid based on the number of downloads on your content. Withdraw your earnings. Once you've accumulated enough earnings, you can withdraw your money through PayPal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.